जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 34th श्लोक. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, "Oh Krishna, look at all of them who came to fight with me while losing their hopes on their lives. Look at my acharyas. There are people who are equal to my father. There are people who are equal to my sons. There are grandfathers, grandsons, uncles, father-in-laws, brother-in-laws. Everybody is there in this battlefield ready to fight with me." While having this meaning running in our thoughts, while visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and thinking that Krishna Paramatma is giving Gitopadesam to us directly, let us now chant the sloka. Acharyaha pitaraha putraha tadhaivacha pitamahaha matulaha svesuraha pautraha Syalaha Sambandhinastadha. The moral from the sloka that which we have to be practicing: do not be attached to anyone which can cause you to give up your duty and responsibility. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma is saying that, think about me always and keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Offer and transform all your actions as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep reading at least once Bhagavad Gita sloka every day. Keep spreading and passing down Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall always will be thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on offering all my actions to you and transform all my actions as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on reading at least one sloka from Bhagavad Gita every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall act according to you. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajanta manupeta mapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi saying to Saunaka and other rishis, "O Maharshis, when Krishna Paramatma was getting ready to go back to his kingdom, Kunti Devi is praying Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Krishna, your darshanam will remove Bhavasagaram. The root cause of all the pains is ego. That can be removed only by having your darshanam. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, but in this world there are some people, they are just drowned, engaged in only enjoying the comforts, earning the money, and with their education, with their money, with their dynasty, they all feel that they themselves are great, and for them you are never realized. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, whomever believes you, whoever has faith in you, for them you are the eternal wealth, you are the highest richness, paramam dhanam, namo kinchana vittaya, atmaramaya, shantaya, kaivalyapataye namaha. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who does not have kamamu krodhamu. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who does not have hungry and thirst. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who does not have grief, sokam and illusion, moham. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who does not have death and birth. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who has no craving towards anything in this entire creation. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who has this entire nature under your control, and you are never attached to this Prakriti. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one, you are only the one who can bestow, who can confer moksham, eternal bliss to each and anyone who approaches you. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who controls this kalam, time, and who has all the devatas, kalam, ishanam, anadi, nidhanam, vibhum. You are the one who has all devatas working under you. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who controls not only kalam but the entire creation. Samam charantam sarvatra bhutanam. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who is impartial towards each and every entity. You never show partiality, and you are the one who never show any anger on anyone. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are the one who helps all the souls according to their karma, gets their bodies and experiences their karma effect through making journey through those bodies. You are the one who makes this entire network and establishment. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, your activities are very, very miraculous. We cannot comprehend your greatness, supremacy, and your miraculous activities. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, you came down in a form of animal, Tiryak. O Krishna Paramatma, you came down as a human being. O Krishna Paramatma, you came down as rishis. Yadaha Su, you came down as a water animals also. O Krishna, Atyanta Vidambanam, every action, every form, every avataram is very miraculous and gives us so much of relief, and we feel that we can rely on that. To that extent, your every activity, your every attribute, your every form is very, very supportive to each and every entity. O Krishna, I remember one activity from your childhood. I repeatedly remember that. It comes to my mind that one small action, one small incident from your childhood. I would like to again present that childhood activity, childhood incident in front of you. I would like to remember again that. What is that incident that Kunti Devi is going to remember in front of Krishna Paramatma? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेन अमरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 34th श्लोक. आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वशुराः पौत्राः श्यालाः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.